Now the difference is, the shahada and testification of all respected prophets of the past is limited to their time and period. Not more, not less. Furthermore, they were they were muballigh for what time period? For their limited period they were sent in, and this limited nation. Right? They were mubashirs to them, to the people, their people. They were nazirs to their people, by the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what are they going to testify on? They're testifying on Allah. Right? Their testification is based on what they heard. They reiterate it. Allahu mawjood, Allahu hayy, Allahu qayyum, Allah sami, Allah basir. Right? Allah basir, Allah hayy, Allah qayyum. But did they see Allah? Allah. They heard. Through revelation, through other prophets, through divine inspiration, divine communication, they heard. Right? But our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Allahu sami, Allahu basir, Allahu hayy, Allah qayyum, Allah ghaffar.